Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Very good morning. It's Monday, 3rd March 2025 and it's around 8:10. I did not go to the pond park or Nana Nani park. वैसे भी yesterday I walked for 10 kilometers and you won't believe after walking for 10 kilometers that too I walked continuously for 3 hours, okay, and in the evening I went for my supermarket and things like that, right? See my face. I highly recommend walking. Trust me, even if you are not doing anything in your life, keep movement in your life. This is what I realized. And walking is the best exercise because you explore so many things, and start talking to people. Random strangers. Like if you like, I'm a biryani fan, so if I'll see a biryani place, I'll go and talk to them. I'll say, "ये कितने का है?" Mostly over here, there are a lot of biryani places. People who make biryani, I hope you understand. बिरयानी बनाते हैं तो ये जो जब बिरयानी आजकल उन लोग ऐसे सिंगल पैकेट में नहीं बेचते, इट्स ऑल ऑन ऑर्डर. ये छोटे छोटे चौल में ना उन लोग बहुत सारा बिरयानी कबाब्स बनाते हैं. चिकन कटलेट इज़ $15 रियली, बिकॉज उनका ओवरहेड ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. वो चौल भी उनकी होती है वो जहाँ पे वो बनाते हैं, सो दे डोंट इवन गिव रेंट. And that's the reason why they can offer such costing. Morning when I had gone, I had seen they were chopping vegetables and all that. अभी रमज़ान का टाइम है ना, so the timings have changed for food. Start talking to people. I'm not saying, see, this narcissism channels makes us very what to say, they make us very arrogant and unavailable. I'm not saying that you should be like this cheese spread everywhere. And even if you're a cheese spread everywhere, just say, the very reason a lot of people come and talk to me, or people are talking to me, because they see my face every day going to pond park, and I'm a very fit person, and I'm a very stylish person. In the morning I don't go in my jeans and t-shirt. Every day is a new look. So people who see me from the building, that Rajasthani auntie was telling me, मैं रोज़ देखती हूँ, because I see her down taking milk, or I find her something, I meet her. So these are the faces which are regular. I hope you understand. So when people come and talk to you, is because they are curious about you, right? Then they see this, this building, actually you're staying here, so okay, this is the person. So a lot of trust factor gains because you're a local, then you're living here, and that's one of the reasons. I hope you understand. I've lived here for like donkey's years. How many years? 10 years. 10 years. Yeah. 2 years in early 2000s. तभी तो I was not interacting with anybody. I didn't even know my neighbors. Earlier when I had shifted over here, I was here for 2 years. I didn't know a single thing. Seriously. Neither from the church, neither. Then in 2016 when I came back, that's when वो भी धीरे धीरे 1 साल के बाद. So that's how.
Hi girl, how are you?
Good morning. How do I look?
You're always looking good. Don't need to ask.
Thank you so much.
I think so. This is not the first time I'm telling you this.
Yeah, I know.
Then don't ask anybody what you. I mean, your self confidence है नहीं. है self confidence.
ऐसे ही पूछा.
You don't even look your age. No, good yeah. God bless you. You are full of you feel. What to? There's a nice word for that.
Joy Diware.
Yeah, nice.
More.
You're self-satisfied.
Yeah.
What the Almighty is
I have
giving
gone
you,
through.
happy?
Yeah, I've gone through a lot.
You're happy what the Almighty is giving you.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
You say, you're not greedy.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I'm happy. And
You're
do
not
you think
greedy.
it is easy
Okay,
to?
You're giving me this now. Okay, now can you give me more? You're not like that.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
giving me okay. I'm very happy.
Yeah,
So then, you're all smiles.
yeah,
God bless you.
yeah.
And I was just showing my sister your voice now. You're telling me what. So see, that is how you have to be. That is how you have to be.
You heard my voice, how it sounds?
Yeah, boy. It's totally different only, yeah. How come, man?
I don't know.
I said, this is only, no, I said,
How does it sound?
Not to hear you in person and to hear big difference.
Big difference, na?
Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
I was trying to figure out. I said, she only spoke to me. Like somebody else. Sometimes I went back.
Yeah.
Yes, your voice.
And imagine whatever you suggested, I
क्या यार एक ही दिन में-
quickly. और सारे के सारे. Except for the night one, I had no energy because I don't know 10:30 whether he'll be there or not. He's there? They're there? Then maybe today.
Very good, man.
Then you should give me full marks.
I'm impressed, girl. I'm impressed.
Yeah, full marks. Then now I'm going to take my report card from you. A plus. You heard the kind of reaction I get from people. This is life. ये मैं अपनी बड़ाई नहीं कर रही हूँ. मेरे वेंडर मुझे बोलते हैं आपको बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं, आप लकी हो. आप लकी हो. आप बस आइए, आप कुछ मत खरीद, आप बस आइए, आप आइए. You know the day I stopped. It's not that I don't judge people. I'm not perfect. It's just that I'm in a free flow. I'm in the free state of mind. Flow state of mind. That means I just didn't take suggestions from him. I actually followed because not just I'm a foodie, I'm enthusiastic about life, which I used to be previously. When I used to live by myself also, I was very enthusiastic. That is the reason I could survive. I was very curious about small things, talking to people. But when I started staying with my mom, I forgot all these qualities. Because the minute I used to talk to people, she used to make faces, criticize me. And because she knew that I was getting more and more popular, so that is the reason why I was getting a lot of this. Can you believe he अपना वो जो है, I call him electric pole jumper.
Yeah, he just clicks off and does all some
You know what he did? He did today hi to me. Can you believe this person did this way to me? And he did like this, like, hello. A person.
Never tell you, no. You're content. Let the world go by. I'm ready, I do my thing.
I am laughing, talking,
You're
chit-chatting with all.
You're blessed. I'm telling you, you're blessed.
You won't believe yesterday.
Only blessings as a parent blessing.
Yeah. I wanted to eat biryani yesterday. I was dying. I said, chalo, aaj ka din nahi. You know what? I got toast, the garlic toast.
Garlic.
No, there are good brands now in Purti supermarket. So first time, I think they had just kept. First time I saw that product and I bought it and I just had garlic toast yesterday.
Garlic is jam.
And I bought that mayo, Viva ka, that cheesy melt mayonnaise, which is tasting like
Good mayonnaise. I was going to tell you mayonnaise. डालो उसका पर.
mayonnaise, not the cheese, because this is
yeah.
so, and it is light and fluffy and it was cheesy melt. And I just had the whole dabba, only 6 or 7 is remaining. I just kept eating because sometimes you feel like eating a particular thing and you want to stick to eating only, you should not mix too many foods, right? Na?
What I'm saying now, when you want to eat something and your tongue is saying no, have it, just bloody go for it, yeah.
Yes.
Just go for it. The
Yes.
body is saying no, it will accept it and it
Accept
could help
it.
you.
That's the reason why I'm feeling better, because I did not eat too many things or other things. Only that garlic
The
toast.
body is saying I'm happy with it.
I'm
Take
happy
all
with
out,
it.
man. Just
These
go on.
days I'm happy with simple
not-
things only.
You're not this anything.
Yeah.
Everything is getting digested properly and is helping the body. See how active you are.
That is because of this, yeah. Because of that, I'm happy while eating. Otherwise, I wouldn't be
You're content today, sir.
content.
I'm
Yeah.
happy. Let the world go by. I do my thing and I'm happy. I mind my own business.
Yeah.
People want to mind my business. Oh, okay, no
Yes,
problem.
yes,
no problem.
yes,
If
yes.
you want to mind my business, no problem. I
That's
always say, you
the
want to mind my business? Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
yeah.
Already you start telling them, "Mare, what the hell, what do there are kuch khaya." Okay, you want to mind my business? Go ahead.
See, I'm looking so fresh is because as I said, I stick to my diet. I don't ऐसा नहीं कि मैं 3 meals a day ही खाती हूँ. If I'm eating something जैसे that garlic toast was something new. I really wish I could show all the packet. And Vibha का cheesy melt garlic is one of the best flavors. I like all Vibha का वो जो पाउच में होते हैं ना वो वाले मुझे पसंद है. See, I slept well. And you know one thing I realized is massaging my feet for 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and coming and doing grass walking has helped me a lot. Look at the glow on my face. Yesterday मैं धूप में चल रही थी. I should be suntan and kali and ugly, but still I look nice. Hopefully that lady na my neighbor should stop sending me those prayers, and I was just praying to God ki let this woman stop sending me these prayers, and it stopped. Such an hypocrite, such a fake thing it is. दिल में ना चैरिटी ना लव ना पीस, और तुम जैसी खूसट औरत मुझे प्रेज. मैंने बोला नेगेटिव ही होगा वो. Shall I'll wind up. I'll just have my orange because that's all. Okay, take care. Bye.